Hello students, welcome to the class on marketing management. From the above discussions, you now have a good idea about market positioning and market repositioning. So therefore, in this concluding part, I would like to conclude that from the above discussion, it is seen that current marketing positioning enables marketers to make their products establish an image in the mind of the targeted customers. Proper positioning of the product or brand is very essential because it will enable the customers remember the product in spite of the prevalence of other similar competing products. This will also enhance trust in the brand or products in the mind of the targeted customers as well. So therefore, positioning is a very important aspect of marketing management because it enables the customers to remember the product or the brand long after the marketing is no longer in existence. Therefore, marketers have to work very hard to ensure that the product or brand is positioned in a very effective manner in the minds of the target customers. Thank you very much.